You right, Baldy?
I'm all right, mate.
What are you making?
So, I'm doing a pea and ricotta tortellini. I'm doing some fresh peas, just going to halve them. I'm doing a pea and mint puree. I'm going to serve that with some pea shoots. I'm making a pea consommé. So it's almost like making pea tea, if that doesn't sound strange. I mean, this is really quite a simple dish. There's really one ingredient, which is peas. So, you know, hopefully I can pull that off and make it look good and taste good, yeah.
Good luck, mate.
Cheers.
He's taking the humble green pea and turning it into 3 different ways. A puree, inside a tortellini and a consommé. But if that consommé is wishy-washy, that dish is finished. Because we've got tortellini floating in pea water.
I hope they like peas, to be honest. I'll be in trouble if they don't.
15 minutes left. Just 15 minutes. Just 3 minutes, please. 3 minutes.
Oh, it fell. Oh. Whew.
Guys, that's it. Please stop. Stop.
Very sexy food.
Nice, yeah.
That looks beautiful.
I think I've ever seasoned it.
Yeah, but you haven't.
Oh, wow.
Well done, you.
Last up is sound engineer Steve, who's made pea and ricotta tortellini served with pea and mint puree, pea shoots, topped with parmesan cheese breadcrumbs, and finished with a pea consommé.
Very pretty, very elegant. I mean, visually, it was a masterpiece.
Well, first of all, you present a dish which looks amazing. Second of all, you present a dish which, when you first eat it, is very, very subtle. And then the little surprises start to come in, which I very much like. My favourite bit is a little bit of raw leek that just explodes in your mouth, and suddenly you are walking through a garden. I think it's a great, great dish, Steve.
Thank you.
I think it's delicious. I think it's well executed. I think it's very, very clever.
Oh, thank you.
One of the great challenges in cooking is when you start with a number of ingredients and you bring them together, that A, they become something new, but also you can still taste those individual ingredients. You can get the pea, you've got the consommé, there's a little crunch of the bread. The pasta's cooked beautifully. It's everything that it was visually and more because it's original.
That is stunning. Mate, believe me when I say that could be on the menu and in many of the top restaurants in Britain.
Oh, thank you.
And I'm not kidding. Mate, I look at you, you're scruffy, you're not very good looking, but we found something you're good at.